Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. Nuru is a Japanese erotic massage. The naked couple covers their body with a colorless, slippery gel and rubs against each other to get the widest and the wildest physical contact, leading to daring levels of arousal. Orgie Noriplay body-to-body massage gel is an advanced formula containing seaweed extract and provides the proper texture and super sliding effect to perform Nuru massage. It comes in two different varieties to suit your mood. Noriplay Ultra Slide, the traditional odorless and colorless Nuru gel, and Noriplay Energizer, in which Orgie added ginkgo biloba and pinch of ginseng for their energizing properties and a twist of clove oil to the formula for an energizing Nuru massage experience. Both Noriplay Ultra Slide and Energizer are ready to use. There's no need to add water, and they are very simple to apply. Start by pouring the 500 ml contents of the Noriplay bottle over the body of your partner. Lay over your partner and use your bodies to massage each other simultaneously. Noriplay products are safe and suitable for intercourse, so just go straight from foreplay to lovemaking. Thanks for watching us. Goodbye and dare yourself.